An elegant sports car that was already ferocious from birth, now evolved to be even more so. Meet the 2026 Audi RS7 Restomod, a perfect blend of German performance, DNA, and futuristic technology and design. Watch this video in full. This 2026 Audi RS7 Restomod features a remarkably clean and aggressive futuristic interpretation. The design is minimalist yet sharp, with a closed front fascia typical of modern high-performance cars, combined with thin LED lines that give a high-tech and exclusive impression. The fastback silhouette is retained, but made more aerodynamic with a low body, smooth curves, and large conceptual-style wheels that emphasize the sport luxury aura. The overall appearance reflects the RS7's evolution into the modern era without losing Audi's signature elegance and precision. As a 2026 Restomod, this Audi RS7 boasts significant performance upgrades, both through a modernized twin-turbo V8 engine and high-performance electrification options. Power output is expected to surpass the previous generation, with brutal yet smooth acceleration thanks to Audi's signature all-wheel drive system and the latest adaptive suspension technology. Moving on to the interior looks very futuristic and premium. The dashboard is dominated by a full digital display panel that runs from the instrument cluster to the center infotainment system. The minimalist multi-function steering wheel, clean center console without many physical buttons, and subtle ambient lighting emphasize the modern sport luxury feel. As an exclusive Restomod, this 2026 Audi RS7 is estimated to be priced in the range of $200,000 to $250,000 US. If you think this version of the RS7 deserves to be called a work of modern automotive art, let us know your thoughts in the comments section.